Do it yourself. Switch out a broken light switch. I purchased this part from Lowe's. It's a light switch, a 3-way. I didn't need a 3-way, however, this was the only item that was available in that color. So to begin, I removed the light switch cover. And then I removed the light switch and used the drill to expedite the process. Pulled it out, and when I pulled it out, the power line or the hot line, it kind of snapped out. So it's usually the one that's black, that's hot. This is the old switch. It has 2 inserts for the hot and neutral wires, and I'm gonna use this multimeter to identify and verify the hot wire. So I'm already assuming that the black wire is hot, so I'm just testing it, and you can see it's got voltage. Testing it to white. Usually white's neutral, but this wire is connected elsewhere, so I was just testing to see if it was truly a hot wire, that black wire. And I'm receiving voltage, so it's a good indication that that is hot. And more than likely the white and red are neutral wires. I am working with live wire. I didn't shut off the breakers, so these are live. To remove switches, there is a pin point where you can insert a pin to actually release it. I didn't do that. I just kind of twisted it off. This is the new 3-way light switch, and it has 3 inserts, as you can see there, but I'm gonna only use the 2 inserts. And I plugged in the live or hot wire to the top, and I'm gonna plug in the neutral into the second slot, and then that third slot I'll just leave it because I don't need a 3-way switch for this light switch here. I'll put it back in and then screw it into place. And again, I'm gonna use a drill. It just expedites the screw-in process. Makes it go a lot quicker than manually doing so, but make sure when you're doing so, don't drill in all the way, just slowly drill it in and then adjust as needed. And then put the face cover back on, or the plate cover back on, and screw it in. And then test the lights to make sure they work, and they do. Okay to go.